Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? Going on, Cresta here. It's time for some game dev. A little bit on the shorter side for the stream, but we can stream again later too. We'll see how that happens. Artifacts, how you doing? Hoping to run into you. I'm always hoping to run into you, buddy. What's new? What's good? Let's get this thing going. Got some work to do. All right. So, you're a dad now, dude. Mega congrats. How old is the baby? So psyched for you. 1 week old. Oh my goodness, it's so crazy. And the important part is perfectly healthy. That's so great. I'm psyched for you. Welcome to the dad game dev world. I'm happy he's doing great. That's awesome. So psyched for you. Are you enjoying dad life? Raising got feedback on your game, decided yes, you're going to continue building it, and you figure out how to manage a more complex game state. You got this. I believe in you. Now you need to manage your time more efficiently than ever before. That's the hardest part. Being a dad is definitely difficult, but you got this. What card was that? Okay. So, dad life, no idea how I'm going to continue with game dev as a new dad. Up since 3 a.m., perfect time for game dev. That's how you do it. How to do it is to be up before everybody else. That's dad life. Do game dev till everyone wakes up. That's the way that I did it when my kids were little. All right, so we've got some issues, right? Outside of normal everyday life issues, we've got some issues. Let's go to Asana. We need to test. We got a couple bugs. Let's go to priority. Okay. Turn our done ones off. No. Okay. So, still a core pie problem. Piff Path still puts extra power when he plays sometimes. So we're gonna check that real fast. Let me see what's going on with Piff Path. That would be when a card is flipped. Or whenever you play a card. Right? Playing a card is going to be revealing a card. The card back. Where's flip card? Boom. Piff Paff. If card was played, Piff Paff. This should return back. Play this game. Also, cards played this turn. If owner deck. Wait a second. If card was played, we need another version of that, which is if card was played on my side, right? Cool. If say if card was played my side, card names C definitely do this still. But it needs to make sure that if all cards played this game, I.owner deck equals. Oh. This would be deck manager owner. Cool. So if this is not equal to owner, then we return, or then we continue. So skip that. Okay. Same thing. Oh no. For all cards. So if owner equals deck manager, game turn manager, player deck. If owner is player deck, take all this, put it in there. Sweet. Okay. And if owner is opponent deck, right? This becomes all cards played. Player. We don't need this thing. Cool. Opponent. Don't need that one. Let me return. False. Okay. Card was played my side. Alright. Go back to card. So this is instead if card was played my side. And it's going to be my side owner deck. Okay. Find all the piff paths and we increase their attack power. Piff paths need their own attack power spot. Attack. Extra attack. Piff path. Just gotta increase it in everywhere. Okay. Gotta go back to here. Okay. So card was played. Gets played. Right, so if the card gets played, then we want to make sure that we get the cards in the game, but we don't want this piff path to get right. If piff paths I equals C equals this. Continue. We don't want to increase his attack just from it existing. Right? Let's try that. Ooh, that was a big re-import. Okay. Alright. So Ivan the Bean Man has this deck. Menu, current deck, deck cache, Bean Man, path, yep. What is this, a pen callback, a pen interval stuff? That is actually an amazing tool called DoTween. DoTween's system, I can create a sequence, which is like a coroutine, but it runs independently. Does not use up a coroutine slot, does not use extra stuff. It's part of DoTween's system, right? So what I did is I created a new sequence I have a time limit between things, which is like 0.5 seconds or whatever. So I add that in the front of it, right? Then, after that time chunk is over, I do all of this stuff. So I flip the card, right? So scale the cards back, and I scale the cards front. So I flip the card, right? Then I wait another 0.15 seconds. Then I flip the scale of the back of the card. Then I punch everything forward so it looks like something's happening. Then after 0.15 seconds, I start flipping the front of the card, which takes 0.3 seconds. In a linear easing. And then I do another 0.5 or whatever. And then I do the callback here that checks the if card is played stuff. Then I have an on complete when that sequence is done. It's all run. It's not run an update. It's run wherever you call it. Right? Reveal single card. Reveal cards. It's not run anywhere else. Is Dew Tween built in or an external package? It is a free Unity asset. Dew Tween V2. Dew Tween version 2. It is something that I need to use in my life. The entire game of Stop Drop. Oh, I can't. Hold on, let me log on to Twitch. 1 second. Exclamation mark SD. Is all that game is 100% Dew Tween. Doesn't use any rigid bodies or physics at all. So that game is 100% Dew Tween. So all the movement, everything. So like, for instance, here I'll show you what is not Dew Tween, right? So me hitting end turn here, that's all Dew Tween. Right? The pop of the number is Dew Tween. That coming up and fading out is Dew Tween. This fading out is Dew Tween, as that does that. Right? That fading out's all Dew Tween. This is a nasty play. That's all you're watching Dew Tween happen right now. Oh, treasure trove. Bummer. Do we have to reset the game? Do we have the Piff Paff card? Nope. Okay, so let's reset. You have to look at that more? Oh, it's amazing. People use it for everything. It's literally saves you so much time. Saves you so much time. And plus, then you can also use you can use every single Dew Tween uses easings.net. So you can set up every Dew Tween to act and react differently based on these guys. And you can set it in any update loop you want. You can set it in a fixed update loop. You can set it to run even when Unity timescale is 0. So you could have pause menu stuff happen, right? Like this faded, that fade in, fade out. That's Dew Tween. That's a canvas script that fades in and out without me having to run an update timeline delta time call. It's awesome. All of my scene transitions are part of it. So this should be 0. Nice. Discarded the only card we wanted to play. Let's play Puss in Boots. This should increase Path by 1. Nice. It did. Turn 4, we can play Father Hollow. Okay. For a musician. Oof. Why is his power so high? What happened there? Cancel. So there's nothing actually to show that why that happened. Middle. Slots for opponent. Cards. Random musician. attack power 9. Extra attack power realm 6? That doesn't make sense. That's broken. I think Cloud Kingdom doesn't work right for some reason, which really sucks. King of the Birds. Boom. We have the combo. Oh, snap. Get our butts kicked. Okay, we have to play Prince Ivan and hopefully win on the sheer amount of beans that appear. Wait, I thought we played, oh, we didn't play Ivan the Bean Farmer. Shoot. Oh, he's right here, we didn't play him. Ha! I screwed up that. We actually ended up losing. That's funny. Okay, so yeah, so even the transitions. Transition to black. And at the end of the transition, load the next scene. So that it fades, so that it has a nice swipe to it. That's all do tween. This is all do tween. Going like this. Right? That is literally just in the card collection viewport. So on these cards there is a we have an on enter and on exit, which is a event trigger, and it just scales it. And it just changes the scale, changes the sorting order. Right? If you're in the game, it just slides it up a little bit. It's great. Do tween, highly recommend. Do tween and Rewired are highly recommended assets from me forever. Okay, so Piff Paff is fixed. Even though we lost hard there. Call that one fixed. Great. Bugs. Done. Wait. Okay. Corpse Bride isn't working. Corpse Bride is the bane of my existence. Wolf ability double procs. That's not good either. I'm not sure how to even do that one. Where's the wolf's abilities? The wolf. Aha. If card was played, the wolf. Right. So this is a true or false. Get all the cards that were played, all characters. Noel does that, right? Noel gets me everybody. Yes. Noel gets me everybody. Okay. Decided to speed up devlogs when you use AI to generate most of the art for them. People don't cancel you. I've used AI art for all of these cards. Every single card in this game right now is AI art. I'm going to have an artist eventually go through and redraw them all because AI art does not give you any copyright. At least not yet. But this is all AI. All of this. All of it's AI. Except for the variant for Snow White. So this is the regular Snow White with AI art. This is her variant by an amazing artist that goes by Maximino. So this is Maximino's Snow White art variant, which is awesome. He's currently working on one for Prince Charming, because our Prince Charming is here. There's Prince Charming. And here is the current Prince Charming variant. So that's the two. So basically, every variant in the game exists. It just is a cosmetic purchase. That's how we're doing that. That's how this game is gonna make any money. Okay, so let's see here. All right, so excuse me. I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. Wherever that original card variant stuff is. Control F, original card. Not that one. Debug.log. There's that one. And that one. That's what it was. What's up, coach? Rocking the world's longest thumb. You like his longest thumb? Yeah, that was actually a feedback. Little dude's done sleeping? No worries. Talk to you soon. How you doing, bud? So, all right. What's next? What's next? So Wolf's ability is a problem. Sure. Not the biggest issue in the world. We gotta make sure that all token spawns work correctly. So let's build a deck of all tokens. Also, I think there should be a way for us to search things. Yes, Snap Inspired. Snap Inspired differences are that there are spells, like Hearthstone. And then all of the cards have a health value as well. And if their health reaches 0, their attack's also 0. Right? Those are the main things. There are abilities that exist called Fury abilities also. That like let's see here. Like Jorinda. So if Jorinda gets hurt, so she loses at least 1 health, reduce the mana of a random card in your hand by 1. So there's many layers. But there's even cards that are very situational, like Father Hollow can't be played before turn 4. Right? The Ungrateful Son, if it's drawn before turn 3, its attack power is 0. Right? So there's a lot of cards that exist that are more like Deliver Unrest to shuffle a Tombstone. A Tombstone is a Marble Snap rock with 1 health. Right? Yeah. So let's make a new deck. Let's see here. These decks have all been deckified, aren't they? Okay. This one. That one's a deck too. Okay, so let's make a new deck. We're just gonna call you. You're gonna be called Token Magic. All right, so we're gonna get all token cards. So all token cards are. How do I select that? Token Magic. There's a little bit of a bug there. That to be saved as Token Magic? Okay. Oh, I have 2 Token Magic. Let's see what happened there. Okay. Alright. So tokens. Little Farmer's a token. Or has a token. Pied Piper has tokens. The Rat King has tokens. for sure. Snake Princess tokens. Rat King has tokens. Who else has tokens? Talking Cat, does that count as a token? Copy of a random card in your opponent's deck to your hand? No. Destruction, Tabula Rasa. Console Goose, King of the Birds. Wait, no. Is that all the token cards? Okay, that can't be all. That's really all the token cards? No way. Hold on, let me look through the card. Cinderella's a token card. I knew that. Okay. When you just know, so Frog and Dragon are both tokens. Dragon is spawned from an outside effect. Oh, Hansel and Gretel. Gretel's a token. Hansel. Hansel's okay. Is Tom Thumb considered a token card because he gives you a random free cost? Alright, so where else? What else does token stuff? I don't think there's any more token cards. If there are, I'm totally missing it. Every card you have a card in your opponent's hand. This is we call it activate your other active Fury abilities, or your other Fury abilities in play, not just all of them. Okay, so how do I build a deck around this, right? So how do I build a deck around this? I need something like probably. I don't need Blight Burst. Blight Burst is gonna hurt us. Definitely need I want a Town Mouse. Okay, so Hans Bean Farmer does create tokens. Okay. So there's 7 token cards. We want to probably go. Oh, I don't know what we want to put in this deck. We would definitely want Dark Omen in this. Oh no, we definitely want Blood Pact in this deck. And Dark Omen. We want a card like Thumbling is strong. We're playing Bean Farmer, we should probably be playing Prince Ivan. Right, Prince Ivan is strong. Where's Prince Ivan? Snow White's not a bad one. Let's play the variant Snow White. Oh, it didn't play the variant Snow White. Interesting. Okay. Okay, well this deck should have the variant in there, shouldn't it? That was a bug. Okay. The bugs. Add variant to deck. Adds original card. I'm not sure how to go about doing that. There's a way that I can think of. I think there's a way for me to do this. See, when I'm adding these variants, it's not actually adding it to there. So I need to be adding be the issue, right? So if I went like this and went 12 and made Snow White 1 here, that would work. However, it needs to, when you add the card to your deck, it needs to go through and add that number 2. Right? Build collection, add card to deck. Add card to deck. Current deck add. Current deck dot variant dot add. C dot variant. Right? And then when we build the deck, it checks the variant, right? I hope it does. Yes, it variant does. Now that should show it. Also, if I add another card to that deck, we should be okay. Right? Token magic, token magic. We're getting there. Baby steps. Right? There we go, cool. There now. Mother Malchus is good, but only for combo decks. Okay. Going with the spinner? No. Maybe Gatekeeper, because we have a lot of cards that are 1, 2, and 3 cost. Right. If I remove... Do I have something set up where if I remove the card? I actually don't know that answer. What we need another 4 cost card. I think Thrushbeard's never a bad card to play. Huntsman's situational, probably. But I'll like him. Alright, let's see. Let's see if all of these tokens cooperate. Oh, do I have Deliver on Rest in here? Deliver on Rest is a token card. Okay. Stumbling, turn 1. Bean Farmer, turn 2. Look at us winning that location. Boom. Born to do it. Oh, they got the Bean Farmer too? That's terrifying. Okay. Got a Rat King for us. Oh. King left. Okay. Why did your... Oh, your attack went down by 1 because of Magic Bean. We gotta be picky here. I think we gotta pick this spot for the Huntsman. Oh, dang. Bad. It was a bad shot. We tried. Gatekeeper. We're still winning. I just have to make sure that I keep... Do I want to play anything? We don't want to put Dark Omen. Dark Omen will kill the Gatekeeper. Oh, and the Ungrateful Son. Too good. Okay. We're still losing by 1. We're good on this side. He might burst on this side. We need to put a lot of something. We got a lot of tokens. Okay. You gonna play something? Pick a card. Wow. What's this out of range here? Can I play a card? You tell me it has nowhere to play? Gatekeeper. Oh no, there's nowhere to play. Really? Wait, what? Oh, Gatekeeper has to be alive. Card exists here. If this is this and player cards health greater than 0. That's pretty important. Does the card exist? If the card's dead, right? Like it didn't realize it was there. Okay, that was the biggest issue there. Okay, so because when the gatekeeper is dead, the effect disappears. Right. Okay, that's fair. All right, guys, that's the end of the stream. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Much appreciated. Getting real close to a final or a first ever demo. Very excited. Mucho excited. Let's go raid somebody. Gotta get the kids ready for school. Let's see here. Let's see. Who are we gonna go and hang out today? Go over to Hello Comics is an amazing dude working on Super Console Kitties. Also does the music for Magna Jack Flip Switch X's game, which is now on Kickstarter. Go fund it. Go help fund it. We're gonna go raid Hello Comics. Super cool dude. Here's a raid message, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Catch you later.